Hello, good afternoon. Dad, good afternoon, Dad. How are you today? Uh, our situation is not good by the grace, despite of crisis that we experience now. But one thing that I know, the Lord will touch you every day. I always to pray, uh, morning and evening to pray to God that the Lord will touch you, and the Lord will convict you in your heart, that you will help me in my situation now, even to buy a medicine, a food in my family, Dad. So that, Lord, I need your any amount, temporary, or any amount that I can able to buy a food, or medicine. It is big help for me, Dad. Even the $100, $100, it can big help for me. And thank you so much, Dad, that you will able to send me blessing this moment, Dad. Thank you so much, Dad, and God bless you.